right there. One, two, three, four, fifth and sixth beam. And this is water right here. Got to be coming in from this area against the wall. Well, I ain't gonna get out here to look. My whole backyard's underwater. I just got water everywhere. So I'm not sure if that worked over there or not. It's hard for you to see, but last night, I think this is exactly where my water's coming in from, the AC. And if I come down here, I felt the wood be damp, and that's exactly where the water came in. And I know I got to take this out. So I got a lot of work. And put a hose on this and we'll see. One person, a lot of work. Dry like it never rained. Hours later, unbelievable. This stuck in, and I have to get it out, and I got to seal this hole up. Part of my leak. I got upstairs, gonna pour water. Okay. Pour away. Okay, stop. That is my leak. I got it. Perfect. No more. You need one? Maybe I get one inside. I need 30 bricks.
He's talking there.
I'm at my third Home Depot, Lowe's, and I'm going to go get the bricks. I am done for now. Well, what I could do is put a window there. I got maybe 2 more layers of brick. If not, I may have to do 1 more layer. These bricks are not as big as the old one, and that's the problem. So we'll figure out something, what to do. We'll get it done. 1 brick left. I got a brick there, and I got about 4 more bricks there. I don't think I have enough to do the job. Yeah, a lot of work. Found the leak. I'm happy. And sun's coming in. Can't see anything. Too bright. I'll come back tomorrow morning, and maybe I'll polish up the work. I got some tomatoes here. They're no good. They're just gone. That's what happens with tomatoes. Yeah, I'm juggling. Have a great day, everybody.